Hello and welcome to the birdRS YouTube channel and to the first 4-minute bird science paper summary. Please give a thumbs up, add a comment and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to hear more. Today's paper was published in the February 2015 issue of the journal Science by first author Rene Duckworth from the University of Arizona, together with a review written by Ben Dantzer from the University of Michigan. Links to both papers can be found in the description below. The scientific question being asked here is, can female western bluebirds influence the local population level of their own species and that of the mountain bluebird in response to observed threats or opportunities? Birds will take any opportunity to increase clutch size or number, as this provides a greater chance of offspring survival. This paper describes the interaction between the mountain bluebird and the western bluebird following repopulation after forest fires in Montana in the northwestern United States. This figure from the paper shows what has been observed. Mountain bluebirds, the more wide-ranging species, move into these new post-fire habitats first, but are subsequently replaced by aggressive, mobile western bluebirds, who are in turn replaced by non-aggressive, static western bluebirds, until such time as a fire event reoccurs and the cycling continues. The authors of this paper wanted to know whether female western bluebirds used biological tools to alter the levels of the aggressive and static bluebird populations at different times of the cycle. Duckworth had already shown that an increased level of aggression seen in adult birds was linked to a tendency to be more dispersive and competitive. To investigate whether these male traits were present from birth or developed afterwards, the authors measured sex-biased birth order, including when the nest density was altered artificially, and assessed the maternal allocation of androgen hormone to the eggs. This figure confirms the sex-biased birth order effect, with less western bluebird males born late in the brood, when their population density was high, and the percentage of territories occupied by mountain bluebirds was low. When artificially altering the nest cavity number, the authors were able to link sex-biased birth order with nest availability and competition from other bird species, but not mountain bluebirds. This result is important because it shows that the behavior of the mountain bluebirds is not the trigger for the changes in western bluebird birth order. The next figure shows the evidence for a biological tool in operation. Competition for nest sites triggers increased androgen levels in earlier born males that are then more aggressive and dispersive. In conclusion, the maternal behavior in western bluebirds that generates aggressive, dispersive males is not a direct response to the threat from the mountain bluebirds occupying the territory, but actually as a response to increased competition from other bird species for the limited resources. As the habitat becomes crowded, females produce aggressive males, which disperse and colonize new areas, in this case, the post-fire homes of mountain bluebirds. Maternal behavior affecting cross-species population structure is the novel finding that marks this paper as one of significant importance. That is the summary complete. Thank you for listening.